Rigo TV.
I was like, I know, recognize you.
Damn it, boy. No.
Cuh Rigo TV, right? Cuh Rigo TV.
Damn. What is up, guys? Aquí estamos in Ennis, Texas at Scrapin into Springs. We came to check out all the bad trucks, guys. Man, honestly, it looks like a good turnout already. It's packed, guys. It's at the Texas City Motorplex. We got every single tacuache from Dallas to Fort Worth, Texas here, guys. Híjole. I ain't never seen something more ghetto in my life, but I love it. I love it. Honestly, I'm excited to see the trucks, but really, I'm excited to see if there's a taco stand, because, guys, I'm hungry, man. I ain't ate nothing in like 30 minutes. So the first stop is a taco stand. Hopefully we can find something, but along the way I'm gonna show you all the rides that we see. Make sure guys, if you see yourself in this video, you comment down below, put your Instagram @name so we can tag you on my social media page. And make sure if you're watching this video, stop what you're doing right now and subscribe down below. Subscribe, or we fight next time. But y'all stop, guys. We're gonna go check out all the rides. Let's go lock this truck in. I still don't know how to say that right. Photo V6. Photo V6. Híjole. I let him borrow that truck last weekend. He didn't give it back yet. No. Goddamn, she almost fell out the back. Shout out to that boy Jesus. G that boy. Woo, you ugly. Damn it, you already know. Already know. Woo wee. Only thing lower than that is my titties. Damn it, boy. Woo. Woo. Okay, okay. Shout out, shout out. Oh, look at this tacuache right here. Damn it, boy.
What up, man? Get the trucks in the house!
Damn it, boy. Woo-wee. Damn it, straight from Coahuila. Ooh, all these tacuaches back there. Photo Dodge right there. Shout out Team Empire. Shout out Team Empire. What's up, man? Baby.
You the guy from Jorgito TV?
Yeah, Jorgito TV.
I was like, I know, recognize you.
Shout out to my boy, man. I got recognized, guys. I'm famous now. No. Is it dropped or y'all weighing down the truck? Puro tacuaches, man. Tacuaches. Damn it. Hit me with a rock. Y'all done cooked them like a brisket. Look at these tacuaches right here. Damn it, boy. That mug is scraping. Put it the bottle. ¿Sí quema o no quema? Oh shit, sí quema, sí quema. Hey bro, why are people so awkward? Like you wave at them and they just look at you like. Shout out Escoletas. How you say that word? Escoltas? Whatever. Shout out to my boys at the Escolatas Truck Club. Class A Taquachi right here. Damn this boy. God damn. Get him out the back of the truck. You're dragging. No. Shout out to my boy, man. Híjole. Window tinted because the owner is ugly. That's true, bro. That's true. Nah, no te creas, man. I'm just playing, bro. Hit me with a rock. Woo-wee. Alright, right now guys, I just got done parking my truck. I'm probably gonna leave it here for a little bit so nobody scratches it. But I'll be back for it. Nice. Shout out to that boy Serio_.01. It's a nice truck, bro. Nice truck. Let me know when you want to give it away. Shout out to my boys at Elegant Trucking, DFW chapter, Dragon Nalgas. Shout out to them boys at the Tahoe Mafia, DFW area. I'll follow you guys on Instagram. Follow me back. Shout out to them boys, Rampage Trucking. So you got some nice little trucks here, man. You're doing your thing. Let me get a hot dog, though. Let me get a hot dog. My boy says, "Si quema." Si quema. Damn it, boy. That boy smoking like a chimney. Hola. Shout out to that boy Freddy. Let me get $1. Shout out to that boy Freddy, man. He just gave me 15 free shirts. Nah, just kidding. He didn't give me nothing. But he did shake my hand. I'm gonna cut this off, guys, and hang it up in my garage. Eee. It's a little low, don't you think? Oh. Damn it. Your turn. Scared me. What's up, Cuh Rigo? Chilling, bro. Would you shit on yourself or no? Huh? told you not to do it. You're all going to jail. What's up, bro? You going to jail or what?
Huh?
You going to jail or what?
Nah, they just told me to get out.
They told you to get out?
Yeah.
Damn, bro. They say you stink or what?
Yeah, I was just finna hit them. You know, burnout too.
Go ahead. Aquí estamos con el Cuh Rigo. Hey, if you ain't already, make sure you follow his page. I'm gonna link it down below. Mole Cartel, guys. Get at my boy. Hey, man, he drove off in my truck. Bro, that's my truck. Bring it back. What in the hell? That's wider than my mama's ass. Get the TV! No. Shout out to my boy, man. Shout out to Ford Squad. Them boys deep. Shout out Team SVT, man. They gonna take you to jail. ¿Se quema o no quema? Se quema. Bro, that's whistling diesel right there. Ooh. Shout out to them boys, Diesels of Dallas. Diesels of Dallas. Híjole. She broke her legs. I had a truck like that once. Well, it was a Ford Ranger, but it looked like that. Your canzonas are all ripped up now. Ooh, shout out to that SA Trucking. SA Trucking, shout out my boys. Guys, there's so many tacuaches, so many trucks here. It's like a city of them. Like they crawled all out of the gutter and showed up here at one place. Man. Shout out to them boys. Here we go again. Yeah, on the Cuh, there's probably been like 100 trucks kicked out because of doing burnouts. Ooh, check this big orange out. Man, damn it. I just need to borrow this one just for like a year. Shout out again, Diesels of Dallas, y'all. Shout out. That's nice right there. Woo. Damn it. Woo. It's like twins. Woo. Shout out Cook. Shout out my boy. Damn it, boy. What's the deal?
Texas Motor Place. Sector Trucks. Cuh Rigo TV, right? Cuh Rigo TV.
What's going on, man?
I subscribe to you.
Appreciate you, dog.
Follow me too.
Got a subscriber? Shout out to them boys, man. Shout out to them boys. Y'all, I thought these kids didn't have any legs, bro. I was about to feel bad for laughing. Por suelo ma. Shout out again to them boys at Tahoe Mafia, man. Híjole. Puro C10 Chevy Silverado. About to steal one of them beers. Let me get a Dorito. Hey, that's a real little tacuache right there, y'all. That's a real little tacuache. He said que yo na cook. Híjole. He said what? Que yo na cook. Let me get a ride, bro.
Saludazos aquí, andamos al 100 pa' puro proyector, el galvacillo.
Straight from Jalisco. They drove in from Mexico. a couple hours ago. And their bumper fell off. Híjole.
No quema la mamalona, pero...
La mamalona.
Fucking Team Empire.
Hey, shout out to Empire, man. Shout out to my boys, man. No, it's Batman. Shout out to them boys. Bro, that truck almost hit this car, man. Your turn. That's a nice ram right there. Damn it. No quema Cuh. No. Damn it. Your turn. No. She said, oh no, I don't want any part of this. Don't knock over tortillas. No, not the tortillas. You're gonna knock over the tortillas. Damn it, boy. Scraping and everything. Put a Ford Lightning. Oh, shit. Damn it, boy. It made me shit on myself. No. Oh, I thought they were about to crash. Damn it, boy. Damn it. I ain't seen so many tacuaches in one place. Shout out to that boy. Team Empire. Shout out to Team Empire. Blanca something candy. Ya está, bro. Ya está. How you doing? Does it burn out? Does it burn out? Check it out, guys. Check it out, man. Hella trucks and cars here. Damn it! Oh, shit. What a V6. Dropped away Chevy, follow that boy. No, something's on fire over there or something. Man, they still doing burnouts, y'all. Bro, they still doing burnouts way over there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not finna walk my fat ass over there because I'm gonna have a damn heart attack. But I know y'all can see that. Damn. They finna catch these trucks on fire. Ooh, ya está the OBS. Ahí está, man, right there. Check them out. Hey, see quema. See quema, what the hell? Is that his twin brother? That's the same truck, ain't it? Whip. Woo-wee. Amazon Prime doing burnouts too. Shout out to that boy Freddy. That boy Freddy. Ooh, I don't know if he's gonna get through this. Oh yeah. Yeah, he good. Híjole. Damn it, boy. Let me get some forces on the discount. On layaway. Y'all stop, guys. Scraping into Springs was an awesome turnout, man. We had a lot of people out here, man. I really didn't get a chance to catch none of these races, but I was too busy occupied with all the tacuaches out there, man. But man, we had fun. You know, we got to see Freddie, Cuh Rigo, a couple of the other guys, man. So it was an awesome turnout. A lot of trucks, a lot of tacuaches, man. Honestly, bad turnout. Make sure if you see yourself in this video, you comment down below and shout us out, or we'll shout you out on Instagram. But yeah, that's it, guys. We're gonna go ahead and head back home because right now it's raining. I'm getting wet, and not the good wet. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. But yeah, stop, guys. That's it for today's video. We out.